Imagine a world where using your left hand for writing, eating, and other everyday tasks was the norm. Picture yourself navigating through daily life, effortlessly using your left hand for everything from brushing your teeth to opening doors. Now, imagine being right-handed in that world. The struggle to adapt to tools and tasks designed for left-handers would be a constant challenge. This is the reality for left-handed individuals, a minority navigating a world primarily designed for right-handers. From computer mice to scissors, many everyday items are tailored for right-handed use, but this constant adaptation may give them a unique edge in specific areas. The need to frequently switch between hands and tools can enhance their dexterity and problem-solving skills. Studies have shown that left-handed people tend to have a greater degree of what's called hemispheric connectivity, essentially, better communication between the right and left sides of their brain. This enhanced brain function can lead to improved cognitive abilities. This enhanced connectivity might contribute to their ability to process information more holistically and think outside the box. They often excel in creative and analytical thinking, making them adept at solving complex problems. Furthermore, lefties often excel in tasks requiring spatial awareness, hand-eye coordination, and quick reaction times. These skills are particularly beneficial in sports and other physical activities. This advantage has been observed in various fields, from sports, where quick reflexes are crucial, and music, where dexterity and coordination are key, to architecture and even surgery, where precision and spatial awareness are paramount. Let's delve deeper into the fascinating world of left-handedness, exploring its causes, advantages, and the remarkable individuals who've left their mark on history. From famous artists and musicians to groundbreaking scientists and leaders, left-handers have made significant contributions to our world. Left-handed people constitute around 10% of the global population. This percentage has remained relatively stable for centuries, suggesting a complex interplay of genetic and environmental factors at play. While the exact causes of left-handedness are still being researched, scientists believe that a combination of genes and environmental influences during fetal development may determine a person's dominant hand. Interestingly, left-handedness seems to run in families, suggesting a hereditary component. However, even in identical twins where genes are identical, there can be differences in handedness, highlighting the role of non-genetic factors. This enduring mystery surrounding the prevalence of left-handedness adds to its intrigue, making southpaws a captivating subject of study. The search for a left-handed gene has been a subject of much scientific interest. Researchers have been delving into the genetic underpinnings of handedness for decades, hoping to uncover the mysteries behind why some people favor their left hand over their right. Several genes have been identified that show a correlation with handedness, but no single gene has been definitively proven to cause left-handedness. This suggests that the genetic basis of handedness is likely complex and involves multiple genes working together. Some researchers believe that handedness could be influenced by the asymmetrical development of the brain's hemispheres during fetal development. This asymmetry might lead to a preference for using one hand over the other as the brain matures. The left hemisphere, typically dominant for language and motor skills in right-handers, might develop differently in left-handers. This difference in brain development could be a key factor in determining handedness. Environmental factors such as prenatal hormone exposure, birth complications, and even cultural influences have also been proposed as potential contributors to handedness. These factors can interact with genetic predispositions to shape an individual's preference for using one hand over the other. For instance, in some cultures, left-handedness was once discouraged or even forced to change, potentially influencing the reported prevalence. This cultural pressure could have led to a higher number of right-handers being reported in historical records. Understanding the complex interplay of genes, environment, and chance in shaping handedness remains a fascinating area of ongoing research. Scientists continue to explore this intricate puzzle, hoping to one day fully understand the factors that contribute to whether a person becomes left-handed or right-handed. From scissors and can openers to desks and musical instruments, most everyday objects are designed with right-handed users in mind. This poses a unique set of challenges for left-handed individuals, requiring them to constantly adapt and find workarounds. For instance, left-handed children learning to write often have to contort their wrist at an awkward angle to see what they are writing. Similarly, using right-handed scissors can be frustrating and inefficient. Despite these challenges, left-handed people develop coping mechanisms and learn to navigate a predominantly right-handed world with remarkable adaptability. This constant need to adjust might even contribute to their enhanced problem-solving skills and creativity. Section 5. Lefties in sports, a competitive edge. In the world of sports, left-handed individuals often hold a surprising advantage, particularly in one-on-one sports like tennis, boxing, and fencing. This advantage stems from the element of surprise. Opponents, accustomed to facing right-handed players, may be caught off guard by a lefty's angles, spins, and footwork. This unpredictability can give left-handed athletes a crucial edge in competition. Some of the most iconic names in sports history, such as tennis legend Rafael Nadal and baseball great Sandy Koufax, are left-handed. Their success can be attributed to a combination of talent, hard work, and the strategic advantages their left-handedness provided. Section 6. Beyond the playing field. Lefties in art and creativity. Left-handedness is not just associated with athletic prowess. History is replete with left-handed artists, musicians, and innovators who have made indelible marks in their respective fields. Leonardo da Vinci, a quintessential Renaissance man, was famously left-handed. His artistic genius, evident in masterpieces like the Mona Lisa, might be linked to the unique wiring of his left-handed brain. Other notable left-handed artists include Michelangelo, Pablo Picasso, and Vincent van Gogh, all giants in the art world known for their distinct styles and groundbreaking techniques. Section 7. The challenges of being left-handed. While left-handedness can offer advantages, it also comes with unique challenges. In addition to navigating a right-handed world, studies have suggested that left-handed individuals might be more prone to certain health conditions. These conditions include learning disabilities, such as dyslexia, and neurological disorders, like epilepsy. However, it's important to note that these are statistical associations, and being left-handed does not mean an individual will develop these conditions. Further research is needed to understand the complex interplay of factors contributing to these health disparities and whether they are directly linked to handedness or other underlying causes. Section 8. Famous left-handers. A legacy of excellence. Throughout history, left-handed individuals have excelled in diverse fields, leaving an indelible mark on society. From political leaders to business magnates, their contributions have shaped the world we live in. 4 of the last 7 U.S. presidents, Barack Obama, Bill Clinton, George H.W. Bush, and Ronald Reagan, were left-handed, suggesting that southpaws might have a knack for leadership. In the business world, Microsoft founder Bill Gates and Apple co-founder Steve Jobs, both left-handed, revolutionized the tech industry with their innovative ideas and entrepreneurial spirit. Section 9. Left-handed brains, wired differently. The left hemisphere of the brain controls the right side of the body, and vice versa. Since the left hemisphere is typically associated with language and logical reasoning, it was initially assumed that left-handed individuals might have a dominant right hemisphere. However, research has shown that brain lateralization, the specialization of the hemispheres, is more complex than initially thought. While some left-handed individuals might have a more dominant right hemisphere, many exhibit a more bilateral brain activity pattern, with both hemispheres sharing the workload. This enhanced interhemispheric communication might explain the observed advantages in spatial awareness, creativity, and information processing often attributed to left-handers. Section 10. Celebrating the sinistrality. In an increasingly right-handed world, it's important to acknowledge and celebrate the uniqueness of left-handed individuals. Their adaptability, resilience, and often unconventional thinking contribute to the rich tapestry of human diversity. August 13th is celebrated as International Left-Handers Day, a day dedicated to raising awareness about the challenges and triumphs of being left-handed. It's a reminder that our differences make us stronger, and that embracing diversity in all its forms is crucial for a more inclusive and understanding society. Section 11. The enduring enigma of left-handedness. The study of left-handedness continues to fascinate scientists and researchers worldwide. This phenomenon, affecting roughly 10% of the population, has intrigued experts for centuries. While we have gleaned some insights into the genetic, environmental, and neurological factors that might contribute to handedness, the exact mechanisms remain elusive. The interplay between these factors is complex and not yet fully understood. Further research is needed to uncover the intricate interplay of nature and nurture in shaping this fundamental aspect of human identity. Studies are ongoing, with scientists employing advanced technologies and methodologies to explore this mystery. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the brain, understanding handedness might unlock crucial insights into brain development, cognitive abilities, and human evolution. This could potentially lead to breakthroughs in understanding how our brains function and adapt. The enduring enigma of left-handedness serves as a reminder of the remarkable complexity of the human brain and the many wonders yet to be unraveled. It highlights the continuous journey of discovery in the field of neuroscience and human biology.